So you're planning a trip to Sharjah. Amazing choice. If you've ever wondered where tradition meets modern vibes, Sharjah is the United Arab Emirates cultural capital, just waiting for you to explore. Let me walk you through everything you need to see and do, so you can make the most of your trip. First up, let's talk landmarks. The heart of Sharjah is a must. Picture narrow alleys, restored heritage houses, and cozy cafes all wrapped up in history. It feels like stepping back in time, but with all the comforts you want. Don't miss the Sharjah Art Museum. It's huge, and honestly, one of the best places to catch local and international art. Plus, admission is often free. Next, the Blue Souk, officially called the Central Market. Even if you're not a big shopper, you'll want to check out its iconic blue-tiled facade and explore the hundreds of shops inside. You can pick up anything from gold jewelry to traditional carpets. It's also a great spot to practice your bargaining skills. Looking for something unique? The Sharjah Museum of Islamic Civilization is packed with artifacts and stories that'll make you see the region in a new light. The domed ceiling alone is worth the visit. If you're a nature lover, head out to Al Noor Island. Think lush gardens, art installations, and a butterfly house right in the middle of the city's lagoon. It's perfect for a chill afternoon or a sunset stroll. And I can't leave out Al Kasbah, Sharjah's waterfront destination. Walk along the canal, grab a coffee, hop on the Eye of the Emirates wheel for a panoramic view, or just people watch. There's something relaxing about the place, especially as the sun goes down. If you want a taste of the local food scene, try a plate of machbouz or sample Arabic sweets at a traditional cafe. Don't be shy. Sharjah's food is all about sharing in big flavors. For the adventure lovers, the Maleha Archaeological Center is a bit of a drive, but so worth it. You can see ancient fossils, go dune bashing, or even stargaze in the desert. And here's a quick tip. Sharjah observes local customs closely, so dress modestly and be respectful, especially when visiting mosques or historical sites. So, whether you're an art fan, a foodie, or just looking for a new kind of adventure, Sharjah has you covered. It's vibrant, welcoming, and packed with surprises around every corner. I hope you're as excited as I am to explore this incredible city. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.